Okay, well, my battery went dead for a bit in my phone, so I'm back down. I parked the tractor, plugged it back in because it's cold here and the tractor doesn't want to start. But as you can see, I've got a lot of stuff laying around. There's lots of scrap. I never run out. So, but, yeah, so, and like I say, there's always stuff around here for me to do. I never run out of work to do. So, but like I was talking about the stuff that's up there on the hill, and that cooler system, it's covered in this heavy, thick aluminum, which I will shear off because it'll go as low copper for me here, as you can see it. That's what it'll go as. And then, nice enough, the doors on here, on this cooler, they're brass. So is the handle, but it has probably like a steel or stainless steel thing that'll go through the pin, which I'll take out in the shop. As you can see. But alright, well, signing off for today. So give me a thumbs up if you like mine, and subscribe if you do. Thank you.